Hundreds of employees at the El Paso Independent School District could lose their in-network health coverage at hospitals, outpatient care centers, or even other specialized care under the Hospitals of Providence. Thanks for choosing KTSM 9 News at 10. I'm Andy Morgan. Tenet Healthcare, their parent company, and Cigna-Tenet, the actual health insurance company, are currently at odds right now while negotiating to extend their contracts before and beyond this year. KTSM 9 News reporter Jesus Baltazar joins us live in Central El Paso from district headquarters. And Jesus, you actually had a chance to speak with the teachers union on this. What are they advising their members to do?
And they're advising their members to prepare for the worst and don't wait until the last minute to start doing your homework, seeking other primary care options that are in network for Cigna. That's what Ross Moore, president of the El Paso American Federation of Teachers, tells me he's told his members, and the advice he would give to other people in El Paso who have Cigna health insurance.
So this is a lot of time, transferring medical records, getting prescriptions. There's a lot that has to be done, and if you're trying to scramble on December 30th, that's not going to work.
This is a notice sent out by the Hospitals of Providence to El Paso ISD staff covered by Cigna. The notice reading in part, quote, "If an agreement is not reached, our healthcare network will no longer be in network for you and your loved ones covered by Cigna's commercial plan starting January 1st of 2026. Moore says he's advising his members to schedule a consultation and see if the provider is a fit, as transitioning away from a trusted doctor can be difficult.
They trust them. That's a very close relationship, and all of a sudden you're pulled away from that to a stranger. That's a major shock.
While the outcome in negotiations between Cigna and Tenet is out of El Paso ISD's hands, Moore is urging the district to at least be considerate of potentially affected employees by helping them navigate these 2 months.
Be compassionate toward your employees. Give them the time to do all these things. They're going to need it. And that'll include EPISD cutting back workloads a little bit. Needless paperwork that doesn't help them.
Now, Paso ISD said these negotiations are a standard part of these companies' annual renewal cycle. Now, both Tenet and Cigna are responding to our request for comment. Cigna, in their part, offering a statement reading in part, quote, "It's disappointing that Tenet is choosing to terminate our contract and stoking fear among patients as a negotiating tactic. Unfortunately, Tenet is seeking rates that far exceed the rate of inflation on healthcare services." Tenet's statement, meanwhile, reading in part, quote, "We have been negotiating in good faith to reach a reasonable agreement, but Cigna's current offer is well below inflation and will reduce reimbursement for physicians and ambulatory surgery centers." You can read more on this story by visiting KTSM.com. Reporting from Central El Paso, Jesus Baltazar, and I'll send it back to you in the studio.